2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.